Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to use Claude AI in VS Code. If you are a developer or you just want to build something out of the Claude AI, maybe a board or maybe anything else, and you don't know how to do it. So don't worry, in this video, I'll show you the easiest way to do it. But in some region the Claude AI extension is not available. So for that reason I'll show you another way through which you can still add the Claude AI in the VS Code. Both of these ways are very simple and easy to do it. So once you have opened your VS Code, on the left side you can see we have different options. So from all these options we also have an option for the extension. So from these options you have to choose this last one, which is from the top. Once you select this one, this is actually for the extensions. Once you click onto it, you can see we have number of extensions available. So what we have to do is that you first have to search for Claude AI. If the extension is available, then that's great, we will work onto it. But let's say if not, then I'll show you the other way. So first, if you search for it, you have to actually just simply select the one that has this blue icon, which is the blue tick, which is the icon for verified. This is the correct one, other ones are not correct, you may not use them. This is the right one, just simply get it there, and after that you just have to simply install it and just simply click on this option that you agree with it and just simply wait for a while. Once installing is done, and then it will ask you to just simply run it. So for that you just have to simply allow it, and after that it will get installed in your system, and that's how the Claude AI will be connected, or you can say will be used in your VS Code. But let's say you could not find the Claude AI. So for that reason, you have to use another extension. So for that, you have to simply get there and then you have to search for client. Once you search for it, you will also get this blue tick onto it. You just have to simply install it. First, you have to install it and then connect it to the Claude AI through the API key. So the installation will just take a while, we have to wait for it. It can take like a minute or maybe two based on your internet speed. If the internet is fast, then it will take less time, otherwise it may take more time. So just simply wait, and after that we will get the key of the Claude AI that we will use. Once you have just simply created it up, and now you just have to simply go to its board. You can also check out its different information like what it can do and how you can use it through API. So you will get the idea. Now what you have to do is that you have to simply go to its settings. So for that reason, on the left side you can see its board is appearing under the extensions icon. You just have to simply click onto it. Once it gets open, then you have to click on this second option, which is like you will use your own API. Now what you have to do is that you have to simply paste the API here. First we have to choose the server, so for that you have to simply select this one. Here we are choosing the Anthropic. The reason for using the Anthropic is that the Anthropic is the parent company of Claude AI. Like the ChatGPT is owned by the OpenAI, same way the Claude AI is owned by Anthropic. So you have to simply connect it, and you will find the API on the website of Anthropic, not on the Claude AI. So once you have simply connected it, now what we have to do is that we have to go onto the website of Anthropic, and from there we will get the API key that we will paste here, and then we will be able to use the Claude AI here. So you just have to simply search for the Claude AI. Once you get there, now on the left side you have to click on this arrow, and then you can see the API. You have to simply click onto it, and then you have to create an API. You can just simply name it anything, whatever you prefer, whatever name you would like to go with. Simply create it, you will get the key, copy it, make sure you paste it somewhere else because you can only see it for once, otherwise you would not be able to see it again. Simply get back and paste your API key here and just simply click on let's go, and after that it will get connected to your VS Code, and now you will be able to do it. You can use its board as well, and for whatever reason you wanted to use it, you can just simply do your purpose here. In case you couldn't find the actual extension of the Claude AI, so you have to use the client one. because the Claude AI has just launched their extension and it is not available in everywhere, like in every region, but soon it will be. So for now you can use the client, but once the Claude AI is available at there, you can just simply switch to it. So that's how you can use the Claude AI in VS Code. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. In case you're new to this channel or you have not subscribed yet, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. And thank you so much for watching the video till the very end.